And action! Hey y'all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. This channel was created to help you, the home bartender, mix up amazing cocktails that are delicious and approachable. So don't waste any time. Do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. Once you've done that, reach right over and hit that bell notification button. That way you will not miss a single episode of the show. Today we're going to be mixing up the Cosmopolitan cocktail. The Cosmopolitan cocktail was created somewhere in the late 70s, early 80s, somewhere in that general range, but it was made famous by the TV show Sex and the City. So let's not hesitate. Today I have my preferred recipe for the Cosmopolitan cocktail. We're going to get started with 1 ounce of cranberry juice. Once we've done that, we're going to follow up with a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Just a 1/2 ounce. We're going to pour a 1/2 ounce of Cointreau. Cointreau is a triple sec. If you do not have Cointreau, you can use your preferred triple sec, would be fine also. Now the vodka that we're going to be using is pretty important for this cocktail. We're going to be using Absolute Citron, which is basically a lightly lemon flavored vodka. Very important to use a lemon flavored vodka for this cocktail, and today we'll be using Absolute. We're going to pour in 1.5 ounces, and that's it. Pretty simple. We're going to grab some ice. We're going to give it a shake for about 8 to 10 seconds or until it's nice and frosty at the bottom of the tin. That should do it. Alright, I have a cocktail coupe ready to go. We're going to double strain this cocktail as usual. And there's a perfect pour. Lastly, for a garnish, what I want to do is I have a lemon peel ready to go. I want to just express the oils of that lemon peel on the glass and slightly rub the rim of the glass and then discard the lemon peel. And that, my friends, is your Cosmopolitan cocktail. As you can see, it has a beautiful color to the cocktail. Let's see what it tastes like. That's very good. It's not a depth of flavor type cocktail, but it's extremely balanced. You really have a hard time even bringing the cranberry is just your basic ocean spray cranberry. You can taste a little bit. You have a little citrus in there. You got a little bit of hint of the orange from the Cointreau. Definitely a lemon flavor coming out of the vodka. But in saying that, not any of these particular ingredients will blow you away. But in saying that, to me, that means this cocktail is extremely balanced. It's an extremely balanced cocktail, and you will enjoy it. I've seen a lot of women order this cocktail, but I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't have a problem drinking that at all. It's very good. Thanks for watching the show today, boy. We certainly appreciate it. Thank you for watching today. We certainly appreciate it. You can find us on Facebook at SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. You can also find us on Instagram at SLB Drinks. But whatever you do, please drink responsibly. See ya.